I'm going to try another one of my strange little handheld videos and we'll see how it goes. I have a new art kit that's rather small called a Smart Fit to carry in my bag. You can see here's my hand and here it is. Oops. And I've simplified my material somewhat. Oh dear, the handheld is not going that well so far. Anyway, and I thought I'd show you what are the current essentials. I'm trying to get by with one water brush. We shall see. This is a wee tiny paintbrush that I decided I might need for details, and it's small enough it's not going to weigh much. I do like, whoops, it doesn't want to come out one-handed, this folding brush, which has a beautiful tip on it when I want to use a real brush. Don't run away, come back here. But I also like a flat brush, so I cut one off to fit. I do believe I'm about to have Kitty help. This is just a dip pen that sometimes oh Ellis, please don't help. That sometimes I mix a watercolor wash. Off you go. And now his sister Sophie has come to help. I like to work on toned paper, so I have Sophie, go away. A dark and a light. Would you mind? And this is a Derwent blue-gray watercolor pencil that I can get some nice effects with. This is a strange little tool that I will demonstrate another time that a friend gave me. It's a folding tiny pen, dip pen, and of course a pencil sharpener. And there goes Miss Sophie. And on this side, the world's tiniest watercolor kit, which I may or may not be able to open one-handed. But I did. Voila. And believe it or not, I filled a whole journal on a trip to Charleston using just this little set, except for one spread that I used my regular paints on. This is another little folding watercolor brush that came with a Winsor Newton set. Got a nice little sable brush. And here is a technical pen, Micron 01, always dependable. A mechanical pencil with an HB lead. Never have to sharpen it, with a good eraser on the end. My favorite Franken pen, which is a Noodler's Creeper married to a Hero bent nib. Whoop, can't get it open. Oh well, trust me on this. And this one is a vintage Waterman that I just got from Pierre Gustafsson that has a lovely point. A white gel pen. And I just stuck this one in the other day. It's my carbon desk pen, always dependable with a really good point. And I doubt, oh, I can get the lid off. Teeny tiny little point for details. Wonderful little pen. So, that's my attempt at simplifying, which really isn't all that simple, but at least it's